Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could add a watermark to your YouTube video. To do that, just open your browser and open YouTube. Click on your YouTube channel's picture and click your channel. Click on the image in the banner or just the picture of your YouTube. Scroll down to the bottom and under video watermark, click upload. Remember, an image that is 150 by 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animations, BMP or other formats, and the file should be 1 megabyte or less. So make sure that you respect this. Let's try to upload any picture to see. And here I click done. And you can decide to put it either at the end of the video, at the start, or the entire video. And you can click publish to publish it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.